Hello, and welcome to this session. Today, we'll explore Learning Outcome 1, understanding the common methods and tools used in data analysis. Data is everywhere, but it only becomes valuable when we know how to analyze it. In this session, we'll look at the key methods and tools that turn raw data into meaningful insights and support better decision-making. This unit aims to develop an understanding of data analysis methods and tools. Learners will appreciate the role of data users and requirements analysis. It focuses on how these methods are applied in various fields. The unit also covers the theoretical frameworks supporting these methods. It's essential for effective, data-driven decision-making. Data analysis is crucial in fields like business and healthcare. It involves inspecting and modeling data to discover useful information. Descriptive statistics summarize data features, while inferential statistics make population inferences. Predictive analytics uses algorithms to forecast future outcomes. Qualitative analysis helps understand human behavior. Exploratory data analysis, or EDA, is vital for summarizing data characteristics. It uses visual methods like histograms and scatter plots. EDA discovers patterns and checks assumptions. It's crucial for framing hypotheses and spotting anomalies. This approach enhances data understanding before formal modeling. Data analysis employs various tools for effective processing. Excel is popular for its accessibility and user-friendly interface. R and Python are powerful for statistical computing and data visualization. SPSS is tailored for social sciences, offering advanced statistical analysis. Tableau excels in data visualization through interactive dashboards. The data analysis process involves collection, cleaning, and exploration. Modeling and validation ensure data quality and reliability. CRISP-DM is a structured framework for data mining projects. It includes phases like business understanding and data preparation. This ensures comprehensive analysis and effective implementation. Data extraction retrieves data from various sources. It uses SQL for databases and reads text files like CSV and JSON. Specialized methods handle unstructured data, such as web scraping. Extracted data is loaded into analytical systems for analysis. This process is foundational for accurate data analysis. Data manipulation ensures accuracy by removing duplicates. Filtering selects specific subsets for analysis. Converting data types prepares data for analysis. Aggregation summarizes data through totals and averages. These steps reduce complexity and highlight key trends. Data merging combines datasets for comprehensive analysis. Horizontal merging adds columns, while vertical merging stacks rows. Unique keys ensure record uniqueness in tables. Primary and foreign keys link records between tables. Common fields align data correctly for meaningful analysis. Formatting tools ensure data consistency and readability. Aggregation tools summarize data into meaningful metrics. Visualization tools present data visually for better understanding. Each tool enhances data interpretation and insight generation. Together, they transform raw data into valuable information. Visual methods transform datasets into actionable insights. Bar charts and line charts show categorical data and trends. Scatter plots and histograms reveal relationships and distributions. Flowcharts depict processes, while dashboards provide interactive views. These methods enhance clarity and communication of analysis outcomes. Visual methods simplify complex data for better understanding. They enhance communication with engaging graphical representations. Quick decision-making is facilitated by at-a-glance insights. Trends and patterns are easily identified for strategic planning. Visualization is crucial for effective data analysis. Formatting tools prepare data in a consistent format. String methods manipulate textual data for standardization. Date formatting ensures consistency across different sources. Number formatting standardizes representation with separators and decimals. These tools are essential for accurate analysis and reporting. Aggregation tools condense data into metrics for analysis. Sum and average provide central tendency measures. Max and min highlight data range and extremes. Stratification groups data for comparative analysis. These tools identify trends and key performance indicators. Visualization tools present data visually for clarity. Charts and graphs display trends and relationships. Diagrams illustrate processes and connections. Dashboards integrate multiple visualizations for dynamic exploration. These tools effectively communicate findings to stakeholders. In conclusion, we've learned that understanding data analysis methods and tools is essential for making informed and effective decisions. From data extraction and cleaning to analysis and visualization, each step plays a critical role in turning raw data into meaningful insights. By mastering these tools and processes, analysts can uncover patterns, generate actionable information, and support strategic planning with confidence. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via WhatsApp at 0748-436-1688. We look forward to seeing you at the next session. Thank you for your attention.